Here's how to check if your streaming device output is 4K or 1080p. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and play a video on your screen and then go to the settings option. Once you're ready on the settings option, you will see the three options, which is the quality, captions, and speed. Now go ahead and go to the quality options. Now once you're already on the quality options, you will be redirected to the quality for the current video that you are playing. If you see there 2160p 60 HDR, this means that it is higher than the 1080 and the 4K. It only means that your TV or streaming device is supporting or has an output higher than 4K. You can also go to the picture settings of your television and go to expert settings and make sure that the HDR tone mapping is turned on to your television to make sure that the streaming output will be 4K or HD.